Okay, so me and my good friend Jason here, we just bought and received $40 worth of coffee. Now you might think that's really cool, but this is how small it is. 8 ounces, brother.
No,
And
eighth of a pound.
Eighth of a pound, whatever that is.
So 2 ounces.
2 ounces.
Do the math.
Yeah. And basically, this is civet coffee, which basically a cat ate this and pooped it out, and they picked it out, and it's supposed to taste really good. It's probably disgusting. We're gonna find out.
I'm excited. Shut up.
They only make 500 kilos of this a year, so this is like the rarest coffee on the planet. So we're documenting this for posterity. That way, at least we have something to show for our wasted cash.
Yeah. It better not taste like crap. It's gonna suck.
See, this is the front. Yeah. Civet coffee. The thing says, rarest coffee in existence, unique delicate flavor after the fermentation process in the civet's digestive tract. Oh boy.
Let's get it on, baby. Let's do this. It's interesting. It definitely...
The coffee smells so good. Oh my gosh.
It has a... It has a hit of poop, I'll be honest with you. I feel like I'm smelling crap right now.
I like it, dude.
This is gonna be interesting.
Oh my gosh, it smells kind of good.
It does. It does.
Like, it's got
good.
that earthy tone, like you smell at the zoo. Kind of smells like animal poop. But it smells like nutmeggy.
It smells like the goats.
Oh, I'm excited. Alright, let's fire this up. Coffee's done. My prediction is that it's going to taste disgusting, but I'm excited to try it.
It better not be watered down.
Big boy, what's your prediction?
My prediction is it better not taste like crap. If it does, I'm going to be salty. And I just hope it's not watered down. But I'm just excited. Let's do this, baby.
Let's do this.
Oh, I'm just excited.
Break.
Mark.
I got my Spider-Man cup. Oh, that smells so good, dude. That smells dark. Oh, I'm so excited. Poop coffee. $40. It smells kind of good.
Let's see.
Toast this bad boy.
It's $40.
$40 in poop. That's delicious. It's kind of nutty. And there's no aftertaste at all. Dude, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this coffee.
It ain't too strong, it's not too bitter, it's not...
Oh, it's like perfect.
It's a really good.
Oh my gosh.
That's good.
There's a reason this is the most rare coffee in the world. I'm so excited. If you ever get the chance, try Kopi Luwak, also known as civet coffee. Excuse the pun, that's some good crap. It's not too shabby. Oh, poop.
Hello. Oh yeah, that's good. Especially on a rainy day like this. Ooh.
Oh, it's nasty outside, dude. Curl up with some coffee and get some homework done, or just do nothing.
Curl up with some babies.
Oh man.
This is a new experience, baby. Sexy.
I'm gonna tweet about it on camera. That's what I'm gonna do.
World is a vampire. Oh, dude. Let's do coffee.
We never would have imagined this came out of a cat's butthole.
I know.
Oh my gosh, it's good.
I gotta tell Nicole about it. He asked me about it.
If he's in town, we can sell him a cup of coffee. I'll sell him a cup of coffee. Alright, and I'm gonna end this video. This is Jason's roommate, and he's trying some of this crap coffee, being brave soul that he is. What do you think?
This is really good stuff. There's like no aftertaste at all.
Oh, it's super caffeinated, delicious poop. Oh my gosh.
It doesn't even taste like poo. That's the best part about it. And I smell it.
It smells like a zookeeper's butt, but it tastes so good. If you're a coffee aficionado, you should definitely drink some of this.
Woo! This is how much we have left. I think I can pot.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
That's like 1 cup.
Yeah, that's like that's a pot.
Yeah.
Is it pot?
It's probably about a pot, maybe.
It's like $20 worth of coffee right there.
It sounds like we're talking about drugs.
I know.
Pretty much. I felt like a drug. He opened in the package. I was like, oh, this is good stuff. Get ready. And he pulls out the paper and we're like packing it in there. Oh my gosh.
They have coffee here that like no one else will drink in this store.
What?
Well, I already know Jason knows.
That's the stuff we got today.
Is that coffee?
I'll let you try some for like
Is
$1.
Is it Colombian or is it?
It's Sumatra.
It's a Sumatra.
It came out of a raccoon's butt.
Raccoon. I've heard of the cow.
Fresh is our turn, baby.